Matthew chapter 4 verse 4, it says, "It is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God." So, good morning each and everyone. Every time na i-post mo ito or somebody posted it on social media, a lot of people are making fun of it, like the comments of hindi pwedeng bread lang, dapat may palaman. Hindi pwedeng bread lang, dapat may kasamang coke. Dapat bread lang, may kape, ganyan. I mean, people are laughing, people are mocking it, no? Mocking Jesus or mocking God or the Word of God. Sa tingin mo kaya, ano kaya ang kapalit niyan balang araw? You're having fun right now, but pagdating ng panahon ng paghuhukom, nakakaawa yung mga taong ito. And yet, people are just trying to share the what is written in the Bible to the social media, or minsan dyan sa streets, people are using megaphone to share, but people are just passing by and making fun, laugh. But when the time comes, the day of judgment, these people na nagsishare, yun ang nagwawagi, at yung mga tumatawa ay umiiyak. Kaya nakakatakot. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.